Even if you go, it's all let go. Plenty fine girls, but it's all let go. Girl, I love you dearly.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Rejoice, and I'm so happy to have you around. Okay, so if you've been part of the family, stay tuned, keep on watching. And if today is your first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, join the family, give us a huge thumbs up, drop your comment down below because I love you and I'll be expecting your likes and your comment. Okay, so in today's tutorial it's going to be all about a wing eyeshadow, and in this eyeshadow and this eye makeup today, I'm using the Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette, the same eyeshadow palette I used on my last video last week. I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow palette today, and you can see I'm creating my wing using my black eyeshadow after priming my eyes with the LAgirl Pro.concealer, and I'm going to be, mixing that color up. Black, brown, red, pink and yellow is the color we are going to be using today. And in this tutorial, you have to be very careful, you have to take your time, you have to be patient. If you are in a hurry or if you rush it, believe me, it's not gonna be straight and smooth. As you can see, I am very careful and I'm actually taking my time to create that straight wing because this eye makeup, I've always had it in mind to do it for a very long time now, but still I wasn't really moved, not until last week I decided to do it, and here is it for you. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. So right now I'm blending the colors together, and what I do is I mix the red and the pink together, and I have to blend it into the yellow color so that it will look smooth and well blended. Okay, so you all know what I do. First, if you're part of this channel, I always contour my face first before I apply my foundation, and that has been done already. And right now I'm applying my foundation. I'll be putting down all the products I use in the description box, so you go check it out and see for yourself. Okay, so I'm using the classic cosmetic foundation. Yes, I ordered for some cosmetics, some goods, and they'll be arriving next week. So when they arrive, we're going to be using a lot of new products. Okay, so right now I'm highlighting my face still on the LAgirl Pro concealer, and I really want my nose to have that snatched look. I want it to have this kind of snatched look, so I'm actually very careful when it comes to contouring my nose these days. Yeah, I don't really know where I get that from, but I really concentrate on my nose contour too much these days. By the time I finish it and makeup, the transformation will be so amazing that some people find it difficult to believe the transformation. So that is why you need to subscribe to this channel. You will learn a lot of things. Okay, you will learn a lot of things. Let's go together. With time, I'm going to be bringing out some important information that will help you. So after blending my highlighter, I'm going to be applying my setting powder. Before I apply the setting powder, I actually apply my powder first. After applying my powder, I really find it more comfortable, and it makes my makeup last longer. You can try it out. Yeah, try it out. You might love it. You will love it because I loved it. So right now I'm going to be setting the highlighted area with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I believe this setting powder is specially made for black women. Yeah, the black women, and I love it so much. It's an amazing setting powder, so just try it out if you haven't. Okay, So we applying some bronzer right now, and really taking my time to do that because I really want to bring down that face. Yeah, I want to shape it down. So we have to take our time in applying the bronzer. Yes, some of you might be wondering, yeah, this is my hairstyle, like this is what I carry. I love this hairstyle so much. This is how I am, this is what I am, and that is the hairstyle I love carrying. But I'm going to be doing a hair and makeup tutorial in my next video. Yeah, I wanted to do it in this video, but there's some certain product I wanted to use, and my goods haven't arrived. And when they arrive, we are going to be doing a lot. Okay, I'm using the same technique I use in applying my eye makeup to the under eye makeup. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you loved the finished look. So kindly subscribe, like this video, give us a thumbs up, and go follow me up on Instagram at Rejoice Uloma, and let's rock and roll. I love you so much. Have a blessed day.
It's Music Brain Empire.
I give you love, you go smell like powder. Say because of money, you go follow another. Say you tell me, say you go be my lover. Now you be the girl I for day to hold out.